Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Epic Games the request could not be completed error. Please try again later. So if you're getting this error in Epic Games, then here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the Epic Games server status. You can go to this website or you can also go to this website. Link is provided in video description, and if you find that Epic Games server status is down or having any outage or under maintenance, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can retry again. But if their server status is online and if you are still getting this error, then here follow the fixes. Fix 1 is to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. So first of all, click on this arrow icon, so hidden items, and then right click on Epic Games and then click on exit. So first you have to close the Epic Games. Now in Windows search type RUN and open the run box. Now in the run box type %local app data % and hit OK. Now look for the Epic Games launcher folder. So open the Epic Games launcher folder, open saved folder, and then right click on web cache _4430 folder and select delete to delete it. If you find web cache or web cache _4147 folder, then delete this folder as well, and then relaunch the Epic Games launcher and then try to log in and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 2 is to allow the Epic Games through the control folder access and firewall. To do so, in Windows search type Windows Security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection, then click on manage ransomware protection, then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow, then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the C drive, program files x86, Epic Games, launcher folder, engine folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select this Epic Games launcher exe file and then click open to add it. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go back. Now open Win32 folder. Now select Epic Games launcher exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. Then click on browse. Now go to C drive, program files x86, Epic Games, launcher, engine folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select Epic Games launcher exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, go back, open Win32 folder, select Epic Games launcher exe file, then click on open and then click on add. Again after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click on OK to save changes. Then restart your PC once and then launch Epic Games launcher and then try logging it. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow these two Epic Games exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the Epic Games launcher and then try logging and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to change the DNS server manually. To do so, in Windows search type control panel and open it. Click on view network status and tasks. Now click on your connected internet, then click on properties, then select internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and then select properties. Now select the option use the following DNS server address, and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK, then close it and then relaunch Epic Games launcher and then try to log in and see if that helps or not. Fix 4 is to uninstall and reinstall Epic Games from your PC. So to do so, in Windows search type control panel and open it. Click on uninstall a program. Then here look for Epic Games, right click on it and then click on uninstall to uninstall it. Now go to this website, and after you are on this website, click on install on Windows and download the Epic Games and then launch the downloaded exe file to install the Epic Games launcher and then try to log in and check if your problem is solved or not. The link is given in my video description. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Epic Games the request could not be completed error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.